By the end of this video, you will not just understand how to take proper care of the skin on your body aside your face, but you will also know how to correctly layer your skincare products on your body in order to achieve a clean, healthy, glowy skin without any blemish, no acne, whether on your back or any other part of your body, no dark spots or hyperpigmentations or any other skincare concerns. So hi my love, so welcome to my space on the internet. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. If this is your first time of seeing this pretty face on this space, or you've been watching my video and you're not subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button below to be a part of this family. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. And of course, please do me the honors of sharing out this video. And guess what, it's totally free, okay? And without much further ado, my darlings, let's head straight into the video. You know that for the longest of time, whenever people talk about skincare, or people are looking for skincare products to take care of themselves, the only thing that comes to the mind of a lot of people is just taking care of the face. And even when there is a mention of the body, the only people think of is just, okay, soap and cream. But then again, I mean, is it just about that? And have you also asked yourself questions like, why is it that I use a product that is supposed to brighten my skin on my body, but it is not brightening my skin? Just maybe you're not layering them right, or you're probably not using the right product based on your skin concern or your skin type or even your skin complexion. Now, the very first step, of course, to taking care of your body is to cleanse your body. Now, in this video, I want to deal with the basic things, okay? For some people, they might want to do extra. For example, when it comes to cleansing your body, there's also something called pre-cleanse and cleansing, just like you have double cleansing on the face. So now, if you want to pre-cleanse, it means that you're getting a mild body soap, okay, like your bar soaps, very mild body washes that you use on your body that are gentle. Now, the major aim of these soaps, okay, is to help remove all the dirt and oil residue, any dirt residue or stain that you might have had on your body in the course of the day. And trust me, they are both visible and not so visible things or stains or dirt that you have on your body each day as soon as you step out of your house and come back at the end of the day. Okay, so after doing that, that is pre-cleansing. Then you now want to go in with an actual body wash that now helps your skin to stay moisturized, that helps to hydrate your skin, that gives you that hydrating feel on your skin. But if you do not want to do pre-cleansing, just get any good mild body wash, okay? It suffices regardless of what your skin type or your skincare condition is. Honestly, most of the times it's not particularly the soap, okay, that does the job of maybe brightening your skin, taking out hyperpigmentations or dark spots, and all. There are other things that you do in the skincare routine that contribute to the general glow that you begin to have on your skin. Now, of course, after washing your body, the next thing you want to do is to exfoliate your skin. Now, for some people, they combine this first step with the second step, okay? For some people, they use an exfoliating sponge alongside their soap. I mean, if you have a very sensitive skin, I think that is okay and that suffices. Now, if you do not have a sensitive skin, once in a while, maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, it is very important that you use a body scrub, or even once a month. Honestly, if you ask me, I would say scrub once a month or once in 2 months, because honestly, what are you scrubbing off? If you're not working in a cement factory or in a mechanic workshop where you get deep oil stains and all of that, honestly, you don't need to exfoliate your skin like every single week. Once a month, honestly, if you ask me, is enough. Doing this every week or every 2 weeks, like I see a lot of people say consistently for a long period of time, is going to make your skin wear out very easily, and you begin to get saggy skin, okay? And then you now have to start going in with a lot of collagen products, a lot of anti-aging products, because you want to make your body or keep your body wrinkle free. And that is also what spending more money and pay more attention to something that you can literally take care of, that should be taking care of itself if you do the right thing. So exfoliating once a week is actually honestly perfect for me. If you're not using the exfoliating sponge after using your body wash, okay, to take care to wash out the dirt from your body, the next thing you want to do is to go in with an exfoliating scrub. There are lots of DIY scrubs that you can make by yourself at home. If you would like me to share some of them with you, please let me know in the comment section below. There are also a lot of already made, okay, body scrubs that are in the market. Okay, just visit any cosmetic store or any beauty care store around you in your local market, in the supermarket, and you are definitely going to find a good body scrub. Now, the goal of body scrub, of course, is to work on your clean skin, to remove any dead skin cells that might make your skin feel scaly or feel too dry, to give room for any other product that you're using on your body to actually work. Now, after exfoliating your body, the next thing you want to go in with is your body lotion. And now this one is very tricky because there are also people who use body serums. and people who also use body creams. And now the ideal thing, of course, to do, just like on your face, is to start from lightweight products to the heavyweight products. And now the next thing you want to go in with after rinsing off your body scrub from your body is to go in with a body lotion. A body lotion is meant to moisturize your skin. I just made a video just after this one, okay, or two videos after this one that you're watching. I'm going to leave a link in the card here for you to see. As soon as you're done watching this video, it is going to be in the description area. I made a video where I was talking about the difference between a body lotion and a body cream, what makes them different, because they actually do different things, and there should be a reason why you're using a body lotion or why you're using a body cream. They are not the same thing, okay? So now the next thing you want to go in with after exfoliating your skin is your body lotion to help hydrate your skin. Now the downside of body lotions is that if you're somebody who has a very dry skin, the hydration or moisturization that comes from using a body lotion might not be enough for you, especially if you want this glowy, shiny skin. Okay, so body lotions are best suited for people who have oily skin, who have a combination skin, or who have sensitive skin. Most of the time, a body lotion is all it needs or all you need to keep your skin hydrated. For instance, this is just me on my body lotion, and see how hydrated my skin is. Everything is uniform, is clean, because what my skin needs is a body lotion. If you have a skincare concern that you want to take care of, maybe you have a dull skin, you want to brighten your skin, you have a hyperpigmentation, you have dark spots, or you have acne maybe on your back or other parts of your body that you want to take care of, this is where your body cream comes in, your treatment body cream. Now all those products, okay, that you see that contain retinol, that contain, you know, maybe salicylic acid, that contains vitamin C, that contains glycolic acid, all those creams are treatment creams that target specific skincare concerns on your body. If you have acne and you have a sensitive skin, you can use Yamlactin Daily moisturizing lotion. They have other variants of the lotion as well, and there is also the advanced clinical retinol cream. You can get that and other range of their products. I know they have the collagen cream as well. If you're dealing with anti-aging, maybe you have a lot of wrinkles on certain parts of your body. Now these creams can also be a form of on the spot treatment. For instance, after going in with your body lotion, you just go in with those areas of your body where you have hyperpigmentations, or you know one part is darker than the other. Just use your cream on those places, or you can as well go ahead and apply it all over your body. Now remember, I said that if you have an oily skin, you should focus more on using a body lotion. But honestly, if you want that glittering skin, like I already said, then you also want to follow in with a body cream, because body creams, aside the fact that they target specific skincare concerns on your body, they also are more moisturizing. They go skin deep into the layers of your skin to keep your skin more hydrated and more moisturized. And that is because they are oil based. Body lotions are usually just moisturizers, okay, that contain enough water and glycerin to help hydrate your skin. But honestly, they stay on the surface, and after a while, especially in dry weather conditions, you're going to notice that your body lotion cannot just keep your skin as hydrated. You begin to notice a bit of scaliness or dryness, and that is why, for example, in the Hamatan season here in Nigeria, even when you're using a body lotion, it is no longer enough. You now need to add in your body oil or your body cream, or you know, your Vaseline to keep your skin more hydrated. But body creams are oil based. This means that they tend to stay longer on the body, in some cases even 24 hours. So you're sure of a deep moisturized skin all through the day without any fear of flakiness whatsoever. Now, after going in with your body cream, of course, the next thing that you want to go in with is a body butter or a body oil. Okay, for some people they do both, but I mean, that's a lot. If you ask me, that is a whole lot. But of course, you can do both, like I said, and then you can decide to go with any of them. A body oil is just fine, a body butter is just fine. Now, the essence of this is just adding extra moisture, and peradventure, you're also targeting a specific skincare concern, like you really want to even out your skin tone, which honestly is what body oils will do for you and body butters will do for you. Because there is every tendency that, for example, when you're using a vitamin C product, there might be one or two other parts of your body that might still not, you know, get that brightness that you want from your skin. But going in with a body oil that is all that also contains vitamin C or other brightening agents or other, you know, anti-wrinkle agents or anti-aging agents helps to keep your skin more uniform. For those of you on a minimalistic budget, even if you don't want to use a body oil or a body butter, or perhaps you can't even afford it, using a Vaseline at this point is whether you have an oily skin, a dry skin, a sensitive skin, whether you are fair in complexion or dark in complexion, a Vaseline is also going to do the magic for you. And now, talking about the complexion, choosing your body oils according to your complexion is also very important, because there are body oils that are going to be extra brightening for you. So if you're somebody who is dark in complexion, or honestly you like the complexion that you have, there is a body oil that you're going to use that is going to turn you into Snow White, okay? And if you're somebody who is also very fair in complexion, there is a body oil you're going to use that is going to actually darken your skin or make your skin become very dull because it was not particularly formulated for your skin composition or your skin type. So you also want to pay attention to that when you are picking out the body oil that you want to use for your skin. And of course, that brings me to the last step, which a lot of people honestly would ignore, because honestly I do also normally ignore it because I don't understand why I'm gonna be using it on my face and also use it on my body. But yeah, you need a sunscreen, yes, especially if you are using products, treatment products that contain all these actives like niacinamide, the retinols that contain salicylic acid, and the rest of them, because you are treating a certain condition on your skin, especially those parts or those areas of your body that are going to be exposed. My darlings, you need a sunscreen. If your hand is going to be exposed, for instance, I should be applying sunscreen on this part of my body. So any part of your body that is exposed and that you have applied your treatment cream and body oils on, please should be layered up on with a sunscreen to help protect your skin, okay, to not damage your skin. Of course, you can skip the sunscreen if you're not using any treatment cream or any treatment lotion or any serum whatsoever on your skin, and it's just your regular hydrating lotion. But honestly, I would say treatment or no treatment, sunscreen is important. But then again, like I would say, if you do not want to invest in a body sunscreen, your Vaseline, your Vaseline can do the job for you. By the time you're done with your body oils, your body lotions, and everything, just slap on your Vaseline and you are good to go. I always say, if at this time you have been following my videos on this channel and you don't have a Vaseline in your house, what are you doing? What what is the, just tell me what is it? It comes in different sizes. There are very small sizes, there are medium sizes, there are very big, family sizes that you can keep in the house. There are very small sizes that you can literally even carry around in your bag. So what is your excuse? Please go and get a Vaseline. Make use of this step with even whatever product you currently have at home right now. I'm not asking you to go and dump your skincare product that you currently have for your body care and go and get new products. You make use of these steps that I have just indicated in this video for 1 week at a stretch, and come back here. I'm going to be waiting for you, my darlings. Come back to this comment section or chat me up on Instagram via DM to tell me this is what your experiences have been. And I know you're going to have a good experience. Always come back and say, babe, you said it all and it happened. Thank you for making it happen. And that, of course, my loves, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Did you enjoy watching this video? Please let me know in the comment section below. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share out this video, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. Please, my loves, click on that thanks button. And ever since I got monetized on this channel, I don't have this thing. Please click on that thanks button, okay? Until I come your way next time in my next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget, my darling, that sugar loves you. Bye.